Hello everyone. Today we're gonna study all hiragana characters. And this video are divided 3 sections. 1. Basic rule. 2. Practice all hiragana. 3. Pronunciation tips and practice with words. Japanese has 5 vowels. A, I, U, E, O. These vowels can be used on their own. Look at the second row. There are consonants like K and S. If you combine consonant and vowels, you can create other hiragana characters. Let's see K plus A. Make it KA. It's ka. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Look at the last row. There is one exception to the rule. The hiragana character n does not take a vowel. Japanese language uses mora timed rhythm. In simple terms, you can think of mora as a beat. Each hiragana character is pronounced in one beat. Let's take a look at this hiragana, how it is pronounced. The hiragana so is romanized as a combination of consonant and vowel, so. However, its pronunciation is so. It is really different from English sound so. Okay, look at this. How many hiragana? So this is 2 hiragana. So it means 2 beat. Sora, sora. And how about this? How many hiragana? So this is 3. So it means 3 beat. Nihon, nihon. Let's practice all the hiragana and pronounce them 3 times each. When you see this mark, please speak out. A, I, u, e, o, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, sa, shi, su, se, so, ta, chi, tsu, te, to, na, ni, nu, ne, no, ha, hi, fu, he, ho, ma, ま、み、む、め、も、や、ゆ、よ、ら、り、る、れ、ろ、わ、お、ん、Some lines contain voiced or semi-voiced sounds. For ease of understanding, I will refer to it as a combination with dot and circle. が、ぎ、ぐ、げ、ご、ざ、じ、ず、ぜ、ぞ、だ、じ、ず、で、ど、ば、び、ぶ、べ、ぼ、ぱ、ぴ、ぷ、ぺ、ぽ、Contracted sounds refer to sounds expressed by combining small hiragana characters ya, yu, yo with regular hiragana characters. I will refer it as a combination with small ya, yu, yo. So please pronounce carefully about combination small ya, yu, yo. So this ka and ki is same length of time. It's not ki ya. It's ka and ki. Ka, Q, kyo, sa,
さししそたちちにゃにょひゃひゅひょみゃみゅみょりゃりょぎゃぎゅぎょざじゅぞびゃびゅびょぴゃぴゅぴょ
When contains small tsu, add a short pause equal to one beat. In the case of kippu, after pronouncing the ki, there is a short pause equivalent to one beat, while keeping the mouth shape of the next sound pu, and then the pu is pronounced. Kippu, kippu, kippu. When a vowel a, I, U, E, O is repeated, the next sound is extended by one beat. So writing is 5 letter O, ba, a, sa, Ba, a is B, A, A. So A is repeated. Then when you pronounce it, oba-san. Okay, look at the next one. This is, the meaning is clock. In Japanese, tokei, tokei. So this is kei and I. It's a repeated vowel. And sound is tokei, tokei. The last one is hikouki. It's airplane. The 4 letter hikouki. But this is O and U is, and we pronounce hikouki, hikouki. Like O sound is double. So let's practice with words. So you remember about Japanese rhythm and combination with small yayuyo and dot and circle and small tsu. I hope you can read everything and please try it. いくら とんかつ、マグロ、天ぷら、牛乳、納豆、石鹸、歯ブラシ、歯磨き粉。Feel free to download the Hiragana PDF. See you in the next video. じゃあまたね。バイバイ。